Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and set up TunnelBear VPN on your Android device. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. TunnelBear is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a VPN that combines powerful privacy protection with an incredibly simple, user-friendly interface. It offers military-grade encryption to keep your personal data safe from hackers and trackers, especially when you're using public Wi-Fi networks. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. In the search bar at the top, type TunnelBear VPN and press Search. Look for the official app, which features its distinctive bear mascot, and tap the Install button to download it. Once the installation is complete, open the TunnelBear app. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. Tap Create Account and enter your email address and a secure password. TunnelBear will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox, find that message, and click the verification link inside. This process is quick and confirms your account automatically. After your account is verified, return to the app. You'll be on the main screen, which features a large tunnel switch and a map. Before connecting, you can choose your preferred server location. Tap the arrow icon just below the Connect button to expand the full list of over 47 countries. Scroll through and select the country you want to connect to. When you're ready, simply tap the large switch on the homepage to connect. In just a few seconds, you'll see the status change to Protected, and your internet connection will be fully encrypted and secure. For those who want more control, you can explore the settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Here, you can upgrade to a premium plan for unlimited data and access to all locations, or change the VPN protocol for a balance of speed and compatibility. And that's all there is to it. With TunnelBear, securing your online activity on your Android device is literally just a tap away. If you're looking for faster speeds for streaming, a much larger server network, and advanced features like malware protection, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. It's a more powerful service that also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free. Try it for 30 days using the link below.